Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at XRP, seeing what's going on. We're going to kind of look at a bit of a macro scenario here because I get the question often, how much lower can the price go? Truth is, it could go a lot lower, so just be mindful that we're not in like a phenomenal situation, specifically mainly because Bitcoin and how it's selling off ever since the ETF released. Kind of opposite of what you think would happen, right? But it's one of those normal buy the rumor, sell the news thing, and the big money screwed us here. So no matter how you look at that, if you want to become a better trader, CryptoCash.tech is the site linked down below. I've been trading for a long time. Hope you can learn something today. Quick congrats to our community members. Bitcoin 40%, ETH 48%, 41 from Matic, and 47 from ICP. These are just our swing trades we took a few days ago. Same thing here as well with our day trading bot, AVAX, Solana, another AVAX, ETH. Some really good stuff here. We got some XRP trades in there too, but those haven't triggered in a little while, just based on how the bot is configured. So what we want to look at here, of course, is the backend data and kind of see where we're at. Again, macro data kind of telling us we're going to have a heavy amount of liquidation here soon. It's already halfway swept, but we got down as low as about 51.2. So 51.2 cents is going to be that next key area there. Again, this is just the last 1 month of trading, so keep in mind this is more of a larger time frame scenario. You zoom in a little bit more, you'll see a little bit more data, of course, but generally speaking, the concept here is to give you some of that big picture stuff. So really quick, just to clarify, 51.2, let's go ahead and put that on the charts here just so you can get perspective. So 51.2, roughly right here. Basically just below that lowest candle wick is where the largest amount of liquidation is for this coin. Something to be mindful of. Take a quick look here at liquidity. Kind of see here, we got this lower liquidity level that still needs to be swept. Big surprise, we got more liquidity to go, okay? So getting there. Good news is CME gap has gotten filled here today. 39.5K is effectively satisfied. So we could see the price rally back up to the 41, 42K range for Bitcoin. I think that's less probable, but it could happen. If so, I'm looking for a short between 41 and 42K on Bitcoin, and hopefully, synonymously paired altcoins essentially as well, okay? Now, XRP isn't always one of those ones that runs synonymous with Bitcoin, but today it is. We can see we're below all moving averages. A lot of coins are actually above the 200 and the 100-day SMA, where we've been below for a while. So XRP has been bearish for quite a few days here. We can take a look at the MACD, still diverging, of course. Stochastic, RSI, everything's swinging down. There's literally 0 out of 100 reasons to not take a long position right now, okay? So get it into your head. If you're going to buy the dip here, you're kind of running against the grain. You're running in traffic, into opposing traffic right now. Okay, you'll have some fun. You'll get out of the way of some cars, but you're gonna get hit at some point, and it's gonna hurt. So please be careful. We can see stochastic RSI swinging up. This is natural for a massive sell-off like this because what goes down must come up, right? So again, keep in mind we're going to see that occur. The price could very well rally back up. Okay, and if it does, we're likely to see rejection somewhere in the 56 cent range, down as low as 54 cents. The reason why is because the most recent low could work as the most recent high, and then of course the most recent high essentially works as a resistance. So this range here is a strong likelihood of resistance plus a 0.786 fib level. A lot of reasons not to consider a long position. Okay, if you do, just make sure it's tight profit targets. Nothing wrong with adding to your spot bag, but I would say there's something wrong with a high leverage long position right now. That just seems crazy. Okay. Okay. So last thing I want to look at is the hourly. Just to quickly summarize here, Ichimoku cloud, we're well below it. Most coins are doing the same thing. We've been below this cloud here for a while though. So this coin was breaking down before Bitcoin even did, if you will. So we have a little bit of time here before you want to consider closing your short, but generally speaking, shorts are still in play. There's no reason to consider a long. So we literally have, we haven't identified a single reason to take a long position. So whenever I'm looking at charts, I'm looking for a lot of reasons to take I'm looking for a lot of reasons not to take a trade, okay? 95% of analysis is figuring out when to stay away. This coin is exuding a lot of behavior showing it should continue lower, especially with that massive amount of liquidation at 51. So you do with it what you will, but I think there's a stronger probability you're going to hit your target if you're shorting than you are taking a long, okay? That's essentially my summarization here. So if you found benefit, please like the video. If you want to benefit from a phenomenal exchange with some really nice rewards, no KYC or VPN, look no further. We got you covered. Bitunix, thank you again so much for an awesome opportunity for our US, Canadian, and other country members who actually have difficulty with VPN and KYC requirements. Other than that, I can just say thank you so much for watching. To my new members, make sure you reference and read completely through our signals guide. If you do not read this, you do not know what's going on with our signals, and it's important that you understand how to structure your trades effectively because they both work very different. My day trades are a lot different than my swing trades. Just some friendly advice. Thanks again for watching, though. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.